Hello? I've been waiting here for a while. Where are you guys?
We are on the road.
Where exactly are you people?
I think we are on the road.
Please, I'm in a hurry.
You're not in a hurry. Madam, anybody in a hurry always end up in a hurry way, wouldn't it?
It wasn't.
Well, you go see us now.
All right, okay.
Oh. Hey. Now you would have talked to for food.
Yes, I was the one you're talking to, and you kept me waiting for a long time.
Mrs. Folake.
Yes, my name is Folake Durotimi. And are you people the one that wants to do the affidavit? Yes.
Are you?
Mrs. Folake Durotimi.
I can't go near us. Really like it. No. My wife here go explain to you. Wait.
Oh, okay.
We want to go embassy, so they can't say our name because since I marry her name no gree change. I see a change here, your name finish it back. I take a change here. I have na here kweda up na. So they say we go do affidavit. So
excuse me.
Yes.
Affidavit. Are you trying to say affidavit? Well,
I hear what the choice. You law, what you have money here, no answer. Name.
Oh, okay. Affidavit.
Affidavit.
No, affidavit.
Yeah.
So
I will high school, but once I get here in a newspaper. Come back to the newspaper. Mind the context with me. Say, look at me, oh. Whenever I reach anything. Small loss, so say they go write me for newspaper. Say I go become newspaperious.
Excuse me. Okay, it's 30,000 each. 30,000 for you, 30,000 naira for your wife. So the both of you, it's 60,000 naira. You know, because of the dollar rate, the increment in dollar rate and fuel, things have gone so high. That is why we have that price of 30,000. So both of you will be giving me 60,000 for your affidavits.
Two benefit to
they appear in this paper. Then they give us
30,000. Oh,
nobody is gifting you 30,000. I said you are paying me 30.
Thank you. Oh, cash.
It will be paid into my account. Then as soon as that is paid, I'll take it up from there.
Okay, you're going to gift us 30,000.
It is not a gift, madam. It is not a gift. You will pay 60,000 naira to me, 30,000 naira each. Then I will make sure that your affidavit comes out.
That's how long the mission. Chokwa. Wait. We go give you 30,000. Yeah, I'm gonna 30. We are
Yeah, that's true.
I would hear you.
Yeah, 60.
Ninya Gaya had David. Can you imagine? Why would I go stop the thief for this content?
Excuse me?
When I go stop excuse you waiting. What in concern dollar concern paper? I will be saying them where they don't reject for Bible. David, the mother David do na Bible. David where rupishi rock with the babonya toreato. Ragoloya to rock with the body issue. I have questions. What the questions are.
Let me send you.
I say one high to David. I be a part of still say give me
excuse me. I really don't have this time to waste. The both of you called me, and at the end of the day, you are wasting my time. So I don't have that time to waste. It's either you are doing it or I take my leave right now. I don't have that time to waste, and I have so many things to do. So if you know you're not ready for your affidavit, would you please leave my car and let me go do important things? Is that clear?
You never laugh.
Mronga bossy beke. Peace. You want your Judas is carrot. Who you be? Who you? Who you have?
I can see that the both of you are jobless. And I can see that the both of you are miscreants. I ain't got that time to waste. So right now, I'm going to go inside my car, drive out and run you over.
You run, you over. I run, I go across. You run me over. I run on top of you. I run on top of you.
I can see the both of you.
Is he got run on top of her? Igbo dey cook affidavit. Get what you share one yellow.
About ya me lam regro. Onye tiri moto dia gelu. Ge ria ya ho. Go ga to yo.
Come on, do I get the real menum?
Isuwo. Can no do. If we go to jail, do you know how many jail we are carrying?
Wait for me.
Wait for us.
You will hear from me.
You will hear from
the
us.
Both of you will go to jail. I'm going to chase time.
White ambulance. White casket. Idiot. In a man had David na 30,000. Bakuka. No. You can't get a photo. I'm a young jail in Nishi.
You may learn you cigar on over.
Why is there got me lower than bucket? I want your yard. A little while gets in a category of okay. To pag you again. The God do a time of those people. It's an emo or some son. I won't go back away, mother. It's an emo. I come out on a folklore. If we can see, I come out on a folklore. I didn't too much. I'm making a very again. I want to move and get it back here. I'll walk out. I choose who I climb. I don't climb any. You climb the local board again. You not climb to back. You want no family. I want the family of you always in running. Do not want you went. I do a mala. Osilego. My Gosilego. How come one with my hand? Why you took one? What's I had on him? I was speaking. I had David. I was anyone I want to like it. I was speaking about for betterment for war. Gotcha. On the Gaga and local game. I can have a